modern world values experts. Experts in every kind of business, pushing the limits and seeking perfection. Experts like you. We're the experts behind you, helping you keep ahead in a fluid and ever-changing world. We are the experts who deliver groundbreaking innovations that lead the industry. We offer flexibility to transform the way you work. We deliver toughness that can withstand all challenges. We simplify complexity with labor-saving technology and time-efficient solutions, so you can achieve your goals smart and efficiently with pure precision. We'll be your experts, so you can do what you do best. Wherever you lead, we're always there. ASUS Expert Series.
Why are your laptops pricey than the usual ones? Where are your products available? What's the difference between consumer and commercial products? These are the most asked questions that we get from our end users and partners. But today, we will answer these to uncover the commercial business of ASUS, ASUS Business and the ASUS Expert Series. Hi experts, I'm Jake of ASUS Philippines. Greetings to our viewers, our fans, our dealers and partners for watching our pilot episode of ASUS Know the Experts. Before anything else, please make sure to like and follow ASUS Philippines and ASUS for Business Facebook pages. We're also active on Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn, so make sure to follow us for more updates. Now, before we introduce you the lineup of PCs that ASUS Business has in store for you, let me discuss to you what ASUS Business is. In Search of Incredible is our brand promise. ASUS is passionate about technology and driven by innovation. We dream, we dare, and we strive to create an effortlessly and joyful digital life for everyone. We're always in search of incredible of ideas and experiences, and we aspire to deliver the incredible in everything we do. We offer a comprehensive product offerings to ensure we meet our consumers' needs in every facet of their digital life. Under the commercial PC, ASUS Business is the bread and butter of all things business-related. Equipped with the state-of-the-art notebooks and desktops, ASUS Business provides competitive and powerful PCs that will bring out the expert in you. Before we present to you our ASUS Business lineup, just a small introduction of our achievements from the past. ASUS has been named as one of the top 10 world's most admired companies by Fortune magazine in 2020, basically for its contribution to the computer industry. Since 2001, ASUS has earned more than 57,000 awards from some of the most prestigious international organizations and media groups around the world, and has been named as a 2018 Top 100 Global Technology Leader by Thomson Reuters, reaffirming the company's position as top technology brand. ASUS Business products are ensured with business-grade reliability, meaning it went through rigorous testings engineered with powerful constructions and components that ensures users any type of work that can be handled by our products with ease. And when it comes to product quality, in ASUS, we ensure durability as a hallmark of our ASUS design. All sorts of tests were made to our products to ensure any type of condition you will encounter are nothing to ASUS products. Even the best of experts needs assistance. Even after purchase, we ensure our partners are taken care of. We offer a variety of support to our customers all throughout their journey to ensure maximized performance for their PCs and work production. And in ASUS, we offer 3 years warranty to most of our products and extendable up to 5 years upon on-site purchase. This offering is present across all commercial, consumer, and gaming business units. Throughout the years, ASUS is known to deliver only the best computing devices for their end users. ASUS realizes the need to provide business solutions to the commercial sectors by offering world-class, innovative, and reliable laptops and desktops, while building a stronger partnership and relationship with the system integrators and valued-add resellers. Now, here are the ASUS business product lineup. First, let me discuss to you the ASUS ExpertBook series. Businesses are increasingly dependent on mobile computing as work is no longer confined to the office. ASUS ExpertBooks are designed to let you be as productive outside as you are in the office. We start with giving them with the world's thinnest, lightest, and most attractive industrial designs for the ultimate ease for portability. Then we will fill every remaining nook and cranny with custom-fitted batteries so that also give them the incredible battery life. This is why we have focused on making our ExpertBooks the lightest, yet toughest, and most secured laptops in the market. The lineup is divided into three main segments, starting with the premium line, the ultra-portable, elegantly designed and powerful, perfect for business managers. We have the advanced laptops providing the ideal balance between portability and productivity. And lastly is the Essential ExpertBook series, providing professional features at a budget-friendly prices. Next, we have the ASUS Expert Center. It uses the world's #1 ASUS motherboards, which are renowned for offering comprehensive system protection, 24/7 stability and reliability, and consistent performance. ASUS motherboards uses only the finest high-cost components, including 100% solid capacitors to give our users 100% reassurance for long-term usage. Our Expert Center series are desktop PCs designed with ASUS proven reliability, uncompromised performance, and ease of management. Of course, this also includes our enterprise-grade security features. The ASUS Expert Center creates a suite of desktop solutions that offers multiple chassis types and different levels of series to cater to every business need. Offering exceptional small business value are our affordable and essential desktop lineup. Our advanced desktop lineup features a more secure, reliable, and versatile productivity for its users, while our premium desktop offers maximum productivity with enterprise-class manageability. Next, we have the ASUS Zen AIO series, or the all-in-one PC. Technology can be both beautiful and functional. The ASUS Zen AIO is all the proof that you need because this crafted all-in-one PC delivers amazing performance and stylish aesthetics, making it perfect for those who appreciate fine design. Its 4K Ultra HD display offers exceptional color reproduction to bring our creative visions to life, while ergonomically designed stand provides a full range of motion that allows you to find the ideal viewing position. We also have the ASUS All-in-One PC series, which are perfect for the everyday learning, with best-in-class performance, vibrant nano-edge displays, and immersive audio experience for online learning. These stylish all-in-one PCs feature Full HD resolution nano-edge ultra-slim bezel displays for edge-to-edge visuals and high screen-to-body ratio for unrivaled immersion. Advanced bass reflex speakers with ASUS Sonic Master Audio delivers rich, powerful sound to complement its outstanding visuals. Simple yet effective, that's what the ASUS Chromebook series is. The ASUS Chromebook laptops provide full connectivity to give you quick and easy access to everything you have stored in the cloud. It's easy to manage and update and helps you keep costs down. It's also equipped with the Chrome OS, another convenient way or gateway to the immersive variety of apps on the Google Play Store for work or for school. The ASUS Chromebook product line can be summarized into three product segments: the regular Chromebook, the flip models, and the tablet versions. Regular Chromebooks are ideal for entry-user productivity, while the Chromebook Flip features advanced design such as a 360-degree ergo-lift hinge, a nano-edge display, as well as an ASUS Pen support for versatile productivity. The Chromebook Tablet, on the other hand, offers extraordinary rugged chassis and stylus support, ideal for education. Now we have the ASUS ProArt StudioBook series. For creators, a work-from-home setup can be more frustrating for them, as oftentimes they may need to bring home a full desktop setup or depend on a less powerful machine in order to accomplish their day-to-day tasks. The ASUS ProArt StudioBook series can provide these creators with processing power that matches or even succeeds the performance of traditional desktops workstation, all while remaining portable that is enough to bring to and from the office when they need to be. The ProArt StudioBook series is built with creators and requirements in mind. From a slick, portable, reliable chassis design that ensures a professional look, a designer-tailored features such as a screen pad, number pad, and a tri-section keyboard design. And lastly, its hardware is powerful and accurate enough for any kind of content creation thrown at it. Again, here's the complete lineup of ASUS Business, the lightweight business laptops, the ASUS ExpertBook series, the reliable business desktops, the ASUS Expert Center series, the mobile workstation for content creators, the ASUS ProArt StudioBook series, and our multimedia PCs, the all-in-one and consumer desktops. To know the available ASUS business products, visit our ASUS eStore, our ASUS Expert Series flagship store in Shopee, and ASUS Philippines store in Lazada, or check out our SI VARs. We are also active on social media, so do like and follow and subscribe to our ASUS Business Facebook and ASUS Philippines Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube accounts. And if you wish to learn more about this Expert Series devices, you may download our ASUS Business 2021 Solutions Guide from this link, or you can simply use your smartphone to scan this QR code on screen shown in your screens. Exciting, isn't it? Who would have thought there are PCs aligned specifically for businesses and the commercial segment? In the coming weeks, we are here to introduce you the ASUS Business, the business-to-business line of ASUS Philippines. We primarily cater to a variety of industries from SMBs, government, academe, and education and arts, just to name a few. ASUS Business usually partners with different institutions and give them solutions through our state-of-the-art PCs that is well adjusted to our partners' needs. Now that you are equipped with the knowledge of our business like here in ASUS Philippines, please watch here for a short teaser. For our second episode of ASUS Know the Experts, we are highlighting the ASUS ExpertBook series. The ASUS Business series of laptop, please stay tuned in our ASUS for Business Facebook page for this, and you might just win exciting ASUS exclusive prizes when you watch. Now is the perfect time to ask us about ASUS Business, our products, and services. What do you want to know about ASUS ExpertBooks, the ASUS Business laptops? Comment down your questions below, and we will answer that on our next episode. Select questions and viewers will win special prizes from ASUS Business. At ASUS, we mean business. So upstart your work and equip your businesses with the right PCs that has the experts in mind. The ASUS Business product line. See you in our next episode. Bye!